welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. Something I don't think I've done on my channel before, I think. But this year I want to do a Valentine's Day look that's not so much like heavy on the pink eyeshadow because I feel like pink eyeshadow makes me look sick. So I kind of wanted to give you guys another option, like something with a neutral eye, something that's still fun, and like a little bit of pink too. So we're gonna do a little bit of both. Just a forewarning, I don't have lashes. I usually don't do lashes on my channel, but I have found like a love of lashes lately, and I just don't have any more lashes around. So this look is not gonna have lashes, but you could always add. Just a forewarning. If you guys are interested in seeing a Valentine's Day glamorous look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so as I was editing this video, I just realized I did not record when I had put on my foundation, my concealer, and my face powder. I don't know what happened. I think I pressed the record button when I didn't mean to record, and I just recorded myself doing my eyebrows, which was supposed to be off camera. So go ahead, start your makeup off if you start off with your base, and then we're gonna start this video off right after my eyebrows. So you'll still get to see the rest of the look, just not the beginning part of it. Sorry, guys. Eyebrows are living two separate lives today, so don't look too closely. Eyebrows are on. I used the same old thing that I always use. This is the Ulta Beauty's Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the color dark brown. I love this pencil so freaking much. Next, I usually do my bronzer. So lately, I have been using the Butter Bronzer in the color Deep Bronzer. Try it out because it's so freaking good. I keep shutting my mirror and forgetting like that I have to use it. And I want to add a lot of bronzer today because I'm trying to look like J-Lo. You know? A girl's gotta have dreams. I am white. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. I think everything looks pretty even. My neck is gonna look a little blotchy. It always does because anytime I touch my neck or my face with anything, you guys see I'm using a brush, something so soft, and I'm still gonna get like super blotchy. I am now bronzed. I just wanna make sure that it's even because sometimes on camera the lights flush everything out, and then I go back and I watch and I'm like, oh my gosh, why is your bronzer like a helmet, lady? Like, what's up with that? So now that I've done my bronzer, I like to go in and set my eyebrows now that I'm not gonna have a brush anywhere near my eyebrows. So I set my eyebrows still with the same product that I've always been using for like the longest time. This is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I'm like kind of in shock. Like my makeup looks really nice and I'm in a different setting. Like, do you guys ever feel like if you're doing your makeup in a different location or like in a different room that you're not used to doing it in, doesn't matter if you have like all the same products or not, like I just feel like my makeup doesn't come out as good as when I'm like doing it in the mirror that I'm used to doing it in, you know what I mean? But my makeup looks freaking right now. This eyebrow is just doing whatever it wants right now. I'm just gonna let it live its life. All right, now that I am set with my eyebrows, I'm gonna start my eyes. So for my eyes, like I said, I wanna keep it kind of neutral because not everybody wants to wear pink on their eyes or purple or like, you know, whatever the Valentine's Day colors is, like red or whatever. So I'm going to keep it kind of neutral. I am going to take, where is my brush? I'm going to be taking my Lamora Soft Blender brush. This is the number 113 brush. And I'm going to be taking, do I want to go cool tone or warm tone? Probably cool tone. Probably, but I'm not sure. I have like a bunch of palettes. All right, let's just start with this one. This is the Too Faced Fun Fetty palette. And I'm going to be taking, I just need like a transition color. So I'm going to be starting with this color here. It's called You're So Fancy. And I'm just going to throw that in my crease. Yeah, this is perfect. It's not like too pink. This is exactly what I wanted. Do I want to put more? probably. So I'm just gonna build up the color a little bit because I'm not really gonna put much eyeshadow on. This is a look that's gonna look so much better in my opinion with lashes, but I don't have lashes. So I'm really gonna try to play it up when it comes to my mascara. This is literally what I'm doing for my eyeshadow. Just like a baby soft pink transition color in my crease. All right, so now that I've kind of built up the color to what I want it to be, I'm going to just add in some finishing touches. So this is again another palette that I always use. This is the Tartelette palette. I like this palette though. As you can see, I've used the crap out of it, but I really love this palette because they have these like really like neutral, almost like white colors that you can use to like highlight your brow bone a little bit and stuff, but they have like different variations. So this is more of like if you're gonna go for a brownish look, this is like a purpley, and this is more of like a light pink color, and I want to use that since we're using pinkish tones. So I'm going to use that on my brow bone with this brush. I've had this brush forever. It's from an Amazon pack that I've ordered like 1,000 years ago, and I'm gonna use that to just highlight my brow bone a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take, do I want to do glitter on the lid? I don't know, should we? Maybe we should try something different. I think I just spit like everywhere. So this is my Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. I'm going to take the color Pink Lemonade and I'm going to try to put that on my lids. Now I know that her shimmer colors in this palette work a lot better when they're wet. So I purposely have some water with me here, and I'm gonna wet the brush. I'm gonna wet the brush. This is a flat synthetic brush that I'm using, and I'm just going right in. I'm actually gonna try with my finger and see what happens. Oh yeah, with your finger it's like a little bit better actually. So I think we're gonna use the finger. Now that I have that on my lid, just a little something something. I'm going to do some liner. So I like to use, this look might just turn out to be not neutral at all. I'm finding things that I want to use now. Oh, here it is right here. All right, this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. All right. Wings always like you have to hold your breath, you know? I never had this luck in my bathroom. Like, what the heck? Maybe I should start doing my makeup out here. We're going to add in some white eyeliner. So you don't have to do this, but I like to do this. I think it looks pretty. Do I have white? I don't think I have my white eyeliner anymore. Yeah, I don't have it, but this is actually, it's gonna have kind of the same effect. If you have like a baby pink eyeliner, that would be freaking awesome for this look, but I don't have that. So I'm actually going to be using Jordana, are you kidding me? Jordana 12 Hour Made to Last eyeshadow pencil, and this is in the color Eternal White. And I'm just gonna put this on my, wow, my waterline. Did I do it? Yes, I did. It got a little on my lashes, but don't worry about it because you're gonna put mascara on anyway. So at this point, I usually like whatever color's in my waterline, I like to drag it out underneath my eyeliner as well. So I'll use like a liquid liner to get that look, but I do not know where my white eyeliner is. So I'm actually going to put some glitter there. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal, dang, there's so much glitter I can't even read it, glitter eyeliner, and this is in the color Glam Rock. You know what? Let's be different. Let's put it over the whole thing. Let's see what happens. This look is turning out way different than what I thought. The wing is black, but it has some glitter in it, so that's kind of cool. Something different. I've never done that before, so I kind of like it though. So now I'm going to finish underneath my eye. I'm going to take a Morphe brush, an M432 brush, and I'm going to be taking the Carly Bible palette, the deluxe edition, the bigger palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here smack in the middle. It's kind of like a purpley pinkish color, but I like it because it's a little bit dark. I'm gonna throw that right underneath my waterline. All right, so I'm trying to get something a little bit darker, so I'm going to be taking this color right here. This is the darkest purple in the palette, and I'm going to be putting that right on the outside on the lower lash line again. So now I'm going to blend all of this out so it looks nice and seamless. I'm going to be using this brush. This is the Morphe E36 blending brush. It's a very, very small blending brush. And I'm going to be taking the same color that we started with in the transition, in the crease. This color right here that we use for our transition called You're So Fancy. And I'm just going to blend everything out. Okay. All right. Now it is time for mascara. I've been trying out this new mascara lately. I think I may have already talked about it because I think I uploaded the video already, but it is this one right here. This is the Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. So we're gonna put on a little bit of this. And go heavy with the mascara if you do not have lashes, because I'm telling you, it's gonna make it look so nice. This mascara is not my favorite. It doesn't like do it for me, and I kind of explained that in the last video that I talked about it but I like to just go over it with the Clump Crusher mascara from CoverGirl, because this really helps to like curl and separate all the lashes. Ooh, I'm like tearing. This mascara is actually not black. I made the mistake and I got black brown. So use black, it looks a little bit better. Son of a bee! Look what I just did. I'm just gonna leave the dot of mascara, let it dry, and I will show you how to get it off. I think I've showed you this before. Trust me, it's going to be okay. I'm going to do my blush. I'm going to use, I don't think I have a new blush that I've been liking lately. I haven't really tried anything either. I'm still sticking with the Morphe 9N palette, I believe this is called. They have such great pink shades in here, so I'm going to be taking just this really light pink at the top. This is my E4 brush. I'm just going to dip into that top left shade. Now, when you put on your blush, whoa. I like to put it on, like, not only on my cheeks now, but, like, I put on a little bit, like, even on my nose, like, on the center, like that. It kind of makes it look a little bit more natural than it already is, even though there's nothing natural about this glitter wing eyeliner look. To blend out my blush, I like to use this Morphe M406 brush. It does a perfect job. It's just like a big stippling brush, and it just does a good job of softening up your blush if you've put a little too much on. But now I think I've taken too much off. I think that little piece of mascara that I had put on this side of my face has dried. So I'm going to scrape it off literally with this. This is a hard side, like it's just hard plastic, and this is like a brush side. So I will just literally scratch it and it comes right off. Gone. This is from Kat Von D. This is the holographic palette. It's a face and highlighter palette, and when you open it up, it's 4 beautiful shades. They kind of look the same, but when you swatch them, this has like a blue essence to it, a purple, a green, and then a pink. So I'm going to use this on my inner corner and just see like the effect that it gives me. All right. So that kind of gives us a little something extra. And now I'm going to go over everything with a highlight. I'm still using the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero palette. They collabed, and you can see how much I've been using this. I literally love this palette. It is everything to me. Okay, so don't judge me, but it's really, really dirty. I'm going to be using the Kitty Cat color in the corner. It has like a pink vibe to it. This is the Morphe M510 brush, and this is what I use for my highlight. So I'm going to go into Forever Young, and I'm gonna mix it with the kitty cat color. That's these two colors right here. It's like magic. I actually don't use that brush on the rest of my face. I go back and use the same small one I did to like do the inner corners, because I feel like it gets everywhere, because this is super powdery. Like I said, I love it, but it is extremely powdery. So now that that's done, I'm going to do my lips. Just take a napkin and take off any of like the excess foundation or whatever you may have on your lips. So I have been in love with Dose of Colors lip gloss, and I'm going to be using this one, but I'm also going to be combining it with a lip liner, I think, today. So I'm probably going to use this lip liner because it's a little bit more neutral. This is the lip liner that I use for everything. This is the Milani All Natural lip liner, and it's the color 04. It's all natural, but the number on it is 04. And I use this for everything, as you can see. This is like my third pencil. It's pretty sad. And then I'm going to go over top of it with this. This is the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the color Dolly. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla. This lip gloss is life. When you have the driest lips like me, it just makes them look right. And I didn't even exfoliate my lips. That's a miracle. I am basically done with the face, so I'm going to set everything with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is what dreams are made of. If you guys have not tried this, you're living in hell, because this is the best shit ever. Woo! It's so like fine that it just feels like you're like putting air, like cold air onto your face. That's how fine the mist is. It is incredible, and it smells incredible. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. Without you. Okay guys, that's it. This is the final look. It actually turned out a little bit different than I was thinking it was going to, but I love it. If you guys would like to see more makeup tutorials or maybe another Valentine's Day look, because I am posting this kind of early so that you guys can like plan your makeup looks and your little outfits and everything. So let me know if you guys want to see something else. And if you do, I will do another look for you guys. Maybe we'll amp it up and make it a lot more glamorous. I'll make sure I have lashes. But let me know what you guys want to see down below, or if you just want to see something else in general, let me know. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy your Valentine's Day, and I hope it's everything you dream of. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Something that I don't think I've ever done. Hey, shh. Also, what else? Do I have any other updates? Probably not. All right, let's get it together. We'll call it a day. Now that I have set I'm sitting on my foot. That's why I keep moving around. It's getting uncomfortable. I feel like I have a hair on my face, but I don't. I just realized how uneven my eyebrows are. Oh well. Oh hell no. I'm trying to do a wing. I don't need your negativity. Okay? I think that's as good as that's gonna get. Actually, I'm looking at them. They're not that even, but, you know, we'll take what we can get. Okay, we just went from neutral eye to glitter wing.